everyone, welcome back to All Things with Tips. So today's video will be on a quick weave. This quick weave here, this is actually going on my third week with this quick weave. There's no leave out, no closure, anything. I decided to do it the old school way with this and so make sure you guys stay tuned. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And I just want to leave a little message here before I go. I just want to tell you to stay encouraged in any struggle that you're going through, whether it be financial, whether it be relationships, whether it be something with your kids. Just stay encouraged and continue to pray, continue to praise God for all that He is doing for you and that He has done for you and that He will continue to do for you. So just stay prayed up, keep praising Him, keep thanking Him, because this storm will be over soon. And I pray that everything in your situation gets better and you continue to stay blessed and receive many blessings. Thank you for coming back to All Things with Tip. If you are new to my channel, welcome, 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 and I'll see you throughout. Hey guys, so today I will be showing you guys how I do my invisible part quick weave. This is an old school style. I still do it because when I don't want to leave my hair out, it is just way more manageable. I also don't have to worry about curling my leave out. And so this just works for me. So right now I am just using gel to help me mold my hair. I'm putting it in a ponytail and I'm just slicking that piece up. I'm going to mold this with my black strips and allow this to dry. Took me a minute to post this video, y'all. I was actually going through something at this time, as you could see in the beginning of the video and the intro. I had a whole testimony for y'all, but just after I went back to edit this video, I just wasn't ready to tell it yet. And so that's why I kind of edited and just gave y'all bits and pieces. But that's why you saw me a little bit emotional in the video. Just going through a lot personally at this time, as well as my family. And so we all go through those things. So just wanted to at least leave y'all a message to just tell you to stay encouraged, because that's all we need. And this was prior to me cutting my hair, and so that's why my hair has a little bit of length. It had grown out to a bob length, and when I was going through all this stuff, I said, let me just cut this stuff off and just start over. So that's why you all see the length on my hair. But here's my little handy dandy portable dryer that I connect to my blow dryer. I love this thing. I take it with me. But it's just easy to take out instead of having that heavy dryer, pulling it out and even just trying to find storage for it. So I'll put a link in the description if you guys are interested. So this is my hair molded for my quick weave style. I decided to do a middle part. I had not done a middle part in so long because I just hate the way my forehead looks. It just looks so big, and it looks like when I do the middle part, it makes it look even larger. So I was like, let me just try this. I love seeing the bobs and how they move and the cute, like just precise straight cut. And so that is what I was going for. And I was just able to change the style up as it got older. And as it got older, it got cuter to me. So I'm just going to let you guys continue watching a little bit. Oh, right here, I am adding my protecting to my hair. You might see a little head come in throughout the video. That's my nephew. I had to babysit him this day, and so you'll see him popping in and out, and if I'm talking, I might be talking to him, telling him to stop doing stuff, and he is just so busy. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys continue watching. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. It's free. It's free to like. Go ahead and like. It's free to subscribe. And if you subscribe, go ahead and ring that bell so you can get my notifications. My channel is about all things beauty. I also love to eat and I love to cook. So I have started to add my cooking videos back to my channel. I'll be doing my blogs or my vlogs, as some people say. So I'll be doing my vlogs as well as like trying out new restaurants. So I'll be bringing all my things from Good Eats with Tip to All Things with Tip. You can check out my website at www.allthingswithtip.com, as well as my recipes at tipsgoodeats.com. So guys, I will see you throughout the video. All right, guys. So as you can see, I'm starting with my first track. I never like to pull it all the way down, so because sometimes that can be irritating, and then sometimes I want to make sure I have enough hair left as well. So I'm just measuring my tracks, and then I go in and cut the track. I like to add my Pump It Up spritz to my hair as well as the track, along with my 30-second glue. And once I add it to my my base that I have on my head, I like to dry it with the dryer as well. I might not do it every track I lay, but I may do it every other or every couple tracks that I lay. But that Pump It Up just helps to keep that base strong. It also keeps a great hold for the quick weave. And I know if I could go 4 to 6 weeks without shampooing my hair, I would probably keep this so much longer. I think I might have made it I think I may have made this right at 4 weeks. But this was a great style. It was very easy to maintain. I wanted a little bit of color because I had not colored my hair in quite some time. So I had a little, I think this was the or this might have been like the 1B27. I couldn't find the 427. So right here, I am starting with the invisible part. So I'm splitting my tracks. You want to split your tracks because once you want this part to be very natural looking, and so you want your tracks to be thin. So that's what you see me doing here. And then just like I measure my tracks, I'm going in and measuring the tracks for my part as well. I like to go ahead and just kind of cut them out because sometimes it can take a little bit longer. I like to do mine really close, and you can see me just spraying my spritz, and then I just kind of comb it over to mold it. And that's how I hold it in place. And I do that as I continue going back so that that part can be seamless, so you won't see the tracks. It will just look like the hair is growing out of your scalp. And as it gets older, I'm telling you, it actually looks better. because your hair is you're starting to get a little bit of new growth, and it's all just starting to blend a little bit better. And so I'm going to let you guys continue watching. And of course, I'll be back with you guys. And if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to put all the products in the description. And I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, guys, so really quick, what you see me doing here is making my closing my closure in order to close in this quick weave so that I won't have that spot in the middle. And so I split more tracks down the middle, and then once I got those split, I kind of turn it, I guess, like the opposite way you would lay it, and then I go in, I put my glue on. And once I get my glue on, I think I also put a little bit of Pump It Up on here as well. And then I start just kind of rolling it in, and you'll see it here. Just there we go. So I just kind of roll that in. I try to take the smallest piece to start it off, and then I continue to roll and roll until I get to the very end. You don't need a ton of glue, but you do want to make sure you have it on every little piece. And once I get this rolled up, I'm going to take it and I'm going to push the hair outward so that I can get to the center. And then you'll see me go in with my flat iron to flatten this whole piece out. And then once I get that flattened out, I'm just going to put it in that space to cover up that hole. And I'll let you guys continue watching, and I will be back. Okay, so now it is time for the cut. Guys, I think this is the most difficult part of the quick weave, just trying to cut it yourself when you're doing your own hair and just trying to get it as even as possible because you're not able to see the back of your hair. And then when you think you got it even and you turn around, it's all choppy and different lengths in the back. So it always takes me a minute just to kind of get the cut the way I want to get it and just to make sure that it's even all around. So while I'm doing the cut, I'm just going to let you guys continue watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. And I'll see you guys once I'm done with the cut. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm using my larger flat iron. I believe this is my Babyliss flat iron. I'll put this in the description as well. So I just wanted just a light bump for the first part of my style. Didn't want to go in with a heavy curl because I did want movement, and just wanted it to be something simple, not having to curl it too much. And so this is the look that I wanted to get out of this quick weave first, and I'm loving how it turned out. I like how the color is blending. I love the move. I've always wanted to do that. So I love how it moves. I hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I definitely appreciate all of your support, and I will see you in the next video. You know what it is. Stay blessed. Peace.